Hi guys, we're going to talk about electron configuration. Electron configuration is basically the address for our atoms. So we know our electrons are outside the nucleus in energy levels, but in those energy levels are what we call orbitals. They're kind of like the houses for the electrons. So remember in the video, we have 4 different types of orbitals that we can have. My S, my P, my D, and my F. In my S, I can fit 2 electrons, 6p, D10, and F14, okay? And remember, like we talked about before, in my first energy level, I only have my S. My second energy level, S and my P. Third, SP and D. Fourth, S, P, D, and F. And remember from the video, after the 4th energy level, we only have my SP, D, and F. And so, which is why in the video, after the 4th energy level, we can have a maximum of 32 electrons in these energy levels, okay? So now the way that we write these electron configurations, if we start at lithium, first thing we need to know is how many electrons are in it. We start with number of protons. We find the atomic number. It has 3 protons. If it's neutral, remember it's the same amount of electrons. So we have 3 electrons. So the way that we start writing electron configurations, we always start closest to the nucleus. So we say first energy level. In that first energy level, we encounter the s orbital. So we write an s, and then we have 2 electrons in there. So there's kind of 3 parts to this electron configuration. The coefficient is my energy level. The letter is what orbital it is, and then the coefficient is the number of electrons are in that particular thing. So now we have 2 electrons shown right here. I need 3, so I need to go again. We're all filled up in the first energy level, so now we go to the second energy level. So I'm going to write a 2 as a coefficient. What orbital do I encounter first in the second energy level? The s. Whenever you go to a new energy level, you always encounter the s orbital first. And since I only need 1 electron, so I only throw 1. To double check yourself, add your exponents up and it should equal the number of electrons that you have. Let's do another. Let's go with aluminum. How many protons does aluminum have? According to its atomic number, it has 13 protons. Which means if it has 13 protons, it has 13 electrons. So we always start in the first energy level, 1s2. Move to the second energy level, 2s2. Move again in the second energy level, we have another orbital. So we still write a 2 as well, and then a p6. I'm going to stop there, count the number of exponents you have. Right now I have 10 electrons shown. I need 3 more. So in the second energy level, I'm done. I now go to the third energy level. 3, encounter the s first. So now I have 12 electrons. Not done yet. What do I go to after the 3s? I go to my 3p. And I only need 1 in that p orbital. Okay? Have fun, guys.